Hi everyone. So today we are going to understand about the self-reliance goal of India in solar physics and space weather, which was published in the Hindu on yesterday 20. Hi everyone. So today we are going to understand the self-reliance goal of India into solar physics and space weather. It was published on 23rd of October in the Hindu newspaper. So let us start. So there was some terminology that was given there, so we'll understand that also, but before that let us understand what is space weather. So space weather basically contains many things. For example, solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and energetic storms. Okay, so these all things together form space weather. Now it what it does, so it affects satellites and astronauts in space. It also disrupt communication, navigation, and power grids on the earth. Okay, now let us understand some of the terminology. So first is we have the coronal mass ejections that we call EMES. So coronal mass ejections are sudden discharge of large amount of plasma from the outermost part of the sun's atmosphere, which is known as the corona. So it comes from, so when there is a certain discharge of the corona discharge of the plasma, from corona, which is the outermost part of the sun's atmosphere, then we call it coronal mass ejection. Let's move to the next, that is the solar wind. What is this? So it is a continuous outflow of the charged particles from the corona. So what is corona? Corona is the outermost, means something which is kept at the outest of the sun's atmosphere. So outermost is the corona. Then next is the solar flare. What is solar flare? So it is a massive explosion on the earth triggered by the rapid release of energy from twisted magnetic fields above sunspots, generating a burst of radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum, including radio waves, X-ray, and gamma rays. Okay, now Lagrange points. So L, we call it a short in L. So these are the positions in the space where gravitational forces between two bodies like Sun and the Earth balance out the orbital motion of the smaller object, creating areas of relative stability that allow spacecraft to hover with minimum fuel use. So these are 5 in numbers. Okay, and let us see something called the Aditya Alone. So this is a program of ISRO. This is the first